Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left side and tap to settings icon so we can open camera options. Here at the first place we have now aspect ratio, so let's pick it. And as you can see we are in 4:3, which is recommended. We can also tap to 1:1. And now when we move back to the preview, we can see that the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to the left side settings, to aspect ratio, and we can pick also full screen. So for now in preview, we get access to full camera frame, full aspect ratio. And of course when we pick this button from the left once again, then aspect ratio, you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.